do the tank?
Yes, let's do it.
This tank is kind of weird.
That's
the
okay.
lid just sits on there.
Oh, cool. I kind of like when that lid just sits on there.
I don't.
Oh, okay.
So, G-Max flushing system by Toto. Anti-Siphon 528. I see 06, 05 right there. I don't know if that's a date or not. That might be a date. Probably not. Might not be. Who knows? I don't know. Flush.
Is that called a flapper when it's like that?
Yeah, that's a flapper.
Cool.
There's the fill valve. G-Max. Overflow.
Okay.
Refill tube, which I think should be, which is in the tank for some reason. Should be sitting in the overflow tube. Right, so I don't like the tank on these toilets.
Interesting. Yep. No.
Oh wait, needs to be tilted, I think?
Just pull it towards you on the right side. Pull the right side towards you. There you go. Then put it down.
It's me a little off.
Okay, it's fine.
But you get it.
There you go.
I'll
Okay.
just sit on.
Can I stop it then?
I don't like these tanks.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like these tank boats, but I like the toilet.
It is a nice toilet.